Let's take a look at hyperlinks. Now we can do all kinds of things with hyperlinks. They're website addresses typically, or references to files on your computer. So we're going to start off and we're just going to type in a website address, braintek.com. Oh, it already knows that. If I hover over this, it changes to a hand, and it tells me if I click on this, it'll open up a browser. That's pretty cool, but I don't want it to say braintek.com. So we're going to come over here to insert, nope, not insert, insert this one, and we're going to come over here to link. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in Braintek. That's what I want it to display, and the address is going to be https://braintek.com. And there we go. Now we have Braintek there. Now let's say that I want to do a file on my computer. We go back to the link, and we're going to pick this Deadpool Excel file, and we're going to click on that. And now, if I click on that, it'll open up my Deadpool file. This will automatically go to the Braintek.com website. And then this one will also go to the Braintek.com website. So you've got all kinds of different things that you can do with this. Now, again, you can also go to the link, and I can choose Deadpool, but I don't want it to have Deadpool exe. I want this to be my Deadpool file. And now we've got my Deadpool file.